Here's part 3. This is a short one. We've added the seasonings, as you can see, and we are just boiling it up. The meat and stuff should be almost already cooked. We're just making sure everything is fusing together. It should taste like it is. If you run out of seasonings, then you should add an oyster sauce or a fish sauce to it, because basically that's what you're getting at. You should be able, even as you add the seasoning, you should be able to taste it and give a no for a fact that it's right. If it doesn't taste right, it doesn't still taste a little bland or anything like that, then add more seasoning to it. Once again, I added the chili paste. In the box it wasn't a lot, so you'll probably have to add a good amount. Add some, then taste it before you add any more. Little by little, I always say with that stuff. Don't ever, put a crap load in and be like, oh, wait, it's too hot for me now. Well, just like any other cook, you have to eat it now. And with these ingredients, this is an expensive mistake. As you can see, the water's changed a little bit. Things are working itself out. You should be able to smell it. And it's basically done now. It's ready for serving. And this is how you make it. A healthy amount, 2 scoops for a kid, maybe 1 scoop for a kid, and they're ready to go, and it's good eating. This stew will work with anybody, and you can put basically anything in it. It's like a Thai gumbo. So if you would like a gumbo with a little kick, then this is for you. All right, bye.